I don't know how I just started to decide to make a vlog, but I'm just doing it. My name's Fernando Laurelis. They call me Fern. Have 3 older sisters. Patsy's my oldest, Tracy's the middle youngest, and the youngest one is Casey. I'm 17 years old, turning 18 in 2 months, February 8th. I go to school at FDR. I don't know if I should have said that, but whatever. But, oh, I'm pretty good, I guess. I don't know. I've been doing soccer since I was like 5, 4, somewhere around. But anyways, I play soccer, basketball, and I do track sometimes, but not really. Only to keep me in shape. Watch their videos. I just watch a lot of YouTube. That's like the only thing I watch. I'm not a Netflix guy, honestly. Have you really like been motivated by David Dobrik, Logan Paul? Sorry if I do a lot of fidgeting because I'm like kind of nervous. This is my first vlog. Patsy's my oldest, Tracy's the middle youngest, and the youngest one is Casey. You know why I started to do vlogs, honestly? I just started well, what I'm using right now to record is my phone. I could say I'm a funny guy once you get to know me. Some people think like I'm shy, and I'm shy, but once I get to know you and you get to know me, I'm not shy. Like, I get annoying, like really annoying. Just ignore my acne that I have on my face. My parents were from Mexico, both of them from the city. I think that's pretty much it you should know about me. But stay tuned. Today we're going out with the boys. We're gonna go eat, and we go see what we're gonna do after that. It's gonna be a good night. So I'll see y'all later. Alright, so right now I'm with my boy Enrique. Tell him about yourself.
Enrique, amateur boxer.
Sorry, he's a bit camera shy. He acts kind of stupid when he's on camera. But we're outside Giggles right now.
You can't switch it.
Fuck.
Once it's already Dang.
But yeah, we're waiting for a friend right now. We're about to go to the buffet. Alright, so right now we're going to Cheng Yang Buffet over here. No Cheng Yang with my boy Enrique and my son Fern. Fern, come over here, bro. Introduce yourself.
It's your boy.
Tell him about yourself.
Skinny penis.
Ah. Yeah, that's where we at. Cheng Yang Buffet. Ooh, boy. Damn. You slurping, oh dude.
That means that's good, huh?
Yo, everybody's gonna hear you. Damn. Niggas like,
I'm ready.
everybody open my fortune cookie. Why the fuck you laughing? It's not funny. Alright, let's see. Hopefully we get a pair of new Yeezys. Nah, I'm guessing. To guarantee success, act as if it were impossible to fail. That's a good. So now I'm full. I can't even breathe. Holy crap. So now we're going to the movies. About to get into Creed. I can't breathe. We got Regal, burning calories each second. So what Enrique doesn't know, I have these little rockets in my pocket, or little fireworks, I mean. And when we get back into his car. When we get back into his car. I don't know if we're even recording here, but it's not gonna look noticeable because. Oh look, there's my boy Enrique. Kike, Antonio. Say what's up to the vlog, bro. Let him know what's up. Who you are? Let him know who you are, bro.
Wait,
Let him know
you
who
smell
you are.
mad good.
I do?
Yeah, bro.
You guys wanna say anything?
Nah, I'm alright.
This kid is always depressed. I don't know why. What girl out there broke his heart? Jesus. Yeah, Christmas spirit. I still believe in Santa. Just kidding. Shores. What stores do you guys shop at? I usually shop at 24-hour challenge? Question mark.
I'm not trying to do that. Dude, I got
Why
chores
not?
to do tomorrow. All day.
What? We'll be home by like 4 o'clock in the morning.
24 hours.
Did I ask you?
You're gonna click.
We make more money on online orders than anything else.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Dude, I have to.
Yeah, Enrique's your #1 customer, right?
Yeah, dude, I've seen your name a couple times, dog. Dude, you gotta slow it down. Come on. Oh shit, I was just giving.
You should try hanging on to it for your video.
A few moments later.
I had to rent this whole movie theater out for my boys. Yeah. Yo, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we out here, you feel me? Living good life, you feel me? Positive vibes. Yeah, sorry guys, I didn't tell you, but I invited some friends. Finished watching the movie Creed. Creed 2. It was pretty good. 1 to 10, like a 7. 7, 8.
It was something.
You just got freaked.
Alright, so we just got back. Well, I just got back home. It's 4 in the morning, I think. But that was pretty much of today for my first vlog. Hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.
So in a sense, I gave these niggas birth. That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church.